Angelica?
Governor Andrew Cuomo announced that $20 million will go to help residents in these communities repair their homes. Many of the communities along the Lake Ontario shoreline have been damaged after years of flooding and erosion. The state has allocated $300 million through the Ready Commission. Here's how the money breaks down: $20 million for private homeowners, $160 for regionally significant projects, and $120 for 8 counties. The counties include Niagara, Orleans, Monroe, Wayne, Cayuga, Oswego, Jefferson, and St. Lawrence counties.
Oh, it's great to hear $20 million of that money being set aside for residences, because many of them didn't get their work done in 2017. Now our state is having to, do many repairs in the areas. So this would be a great help to many of the communities along the Lakeshore.
The funding for private homeowners is available through the State Department of Housing and Community Renewal Residential Home Repair Program. To find more information on the home repair program, visit our website, WIVB.com. In the studio, Angelica Morrison, News 4.
Thank you.